destroyed it all. I'm sick of these false tales about me. The great and glorious Captain Hook should be celebrated in verse, not sneakered about in a fairy tale where they call me a codfish or worse. All these fables and fibs are untrue.
So untrue.
So there's only one thing left to do. Destroy the book! Destroy the book! A bundle of outrageous, rip out all the pages and destroy the book so that nobody reads it again. Sing it, boys!
The great and glorious Captain Hook, so elegant and dreadful is he.
That I am.
He might be dishonest, but that book is lying.
And making a ninny of me. I'm misrepresented.
Oh, how he resents it.
It's false and fictitious.
It'll swim with the fishes.
And they'll call me a codfish no more. Destroy the book! Destroy the book! A bundle of outrageous, rip out all the pages and destroy the book so that nobody reads it again.
Nobody reads it again.
Destroy the book! Destroy the book!
It's a lie, it's absurd.
I'll write every word. I'll swipe it, you'll see, and then I guarantee that nobody reads it. I mean nobody reads it again. Destroy the book.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.